Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download SERanking exports for local SEO reporting. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. Open your preferred web browser. Go to the SERanking website. Log in to your SERanking account using your Once logged in, navigate to the dashboard. Select the project for which you want to download exports. Look for the Reports section in the left sidebar. Click on Reports to access the available options. Choose tasks or keyword rankings, depending on your reporting needs. Find the specific report you wish to download. Click on the report to open it in detail. Locate the download button, usually represented by an export icon. Select your preferred format for downloading the report. Common formats are CSV, XLS, or PDF. Click on the download button to initiate the export. Wait for the download to complete. Check your browser's download folder for the exported file. Open the downloaded file to review your local SEO reporting data. You're now ready to analyze your local SEO performance using the downloaded report. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.